If you're anything like me and you absolutely hate stepping on stuff in your kitchen while you're cooking or doing dishes, then these mats have definitely changed the game for me. They're nice and memory foam, and they're not gonna slip around. As you can see, I'm moving and they're not moving. It's this nice little black material, and they're super cute. They have this diamond pattern. As you can see right here, it has this diamond pattern. On the back of it, it has that nice non-slip material, so your mat's not gonna slip around or anything like that. You have one for this side of your kitchen, or however your kitchen's laid out. I have the long one next to my stove so I can be more comfortable while cooking, and then I have the shorter one where it is next to my sink, and it just looks and feels a lot better. And now I'm not going to be stepping all over stuff, because sometimes I don't want to sweep. So if you're looking for some nice mats that are going to just, one, make your kitchen look better, make your feet feel better, and just kind of improve your kitchen a little bit, these are definitely a good choice. I'm Kinsey, and I'll see you next time.